Hello, welcome back.
I'm back.
It's calendar
time.
time.
Calendar.
Good morning, my sweethearts. You're gonna enjoy this beautiful good morning song, and we're gonna try to sing along, okay?
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray. This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? In the morning, I clap my hands. In the morning, I do my dance. In the morning, I shout hooray! This is gonna be a wonderful day. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Good morning. Good morning. Hello, and how are you? Early in the morning, I say good morning. Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you? Hello, and how are you?
Excellent. So that was
Hello,
our good
hello,
morning
you?
song.
And I like to sing it every day.
Yes, now we're gonna continue. So how do we spell our friends' names? Ready? First, we're gonna say good morning to Scarlett. Scarlett, what letter does your name begin with? That's correct. It begins with the letter S. Next is Carlett. Good job. Now we're gonna say good morning to Ahmed. Ahmed, your name begins with the letter. That's correct. The letter A. Next comes H-M-E-D. Ahmed. Good morning. Good morning to Oliver. Oliver, your name begins with the letter O. Next comes L-I-V-E-R. Good morning, my little bunnies. Next, we're going to continue. We're going to say good morning to Aria. Aria, your name begins with the letter A. Next comes R. I-A. Good morning, Abdullah. Abdullah, your name begins with the letter A. Next comes B. D-U-L-L-A-H. Good morning, honey. Next, we're going to say good morning. Buenos dias, Sophia. We're going to say, what letter does your name begin with? That's correct. It begins with the letter S. Next comes O-P-H-I-A. Excellent job. Now we're going to continue. We're going to say good morning to Brucey. Bruce. We're going to say good morning to Bruce. Bruce, your name begins with the letter? Correct. The letter B. Next comes R-U-C-E. Next, we're going to say hello to Luca. Luca, your name begins with the letter L. Next comes U-K-A. Good job, honey. Next, we're going to say good morning to Venalicia. Finally, see your name begins with the letter V. Next comes E, N, E, L, Y, S, E, I, A. Good morning, honey. Next, we're gonna say good morning to Aiden. Aiden, your name begins with the letter A. Next comes D, E, N. So it's A, D, E, N. Good job, Aiden. So I just want to say buenos dias to all my little munchkins. Let's see, we're going to continue with our calendar. So I just want to say great job, boys and girls. You did amazing with all your names. You guys are beginning to recognize every single one of them. Now, it's time to sing our song, our month song. Okay, are you guys ready? We're going to sing. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. These are the months of the year. Excellent. So now let's see. What's our month? What's our month? Let's think. That's right. It begins with the letter A, and it's April. So April is our month. Let's spell it together. So we're going to say A, P,
it's getting bigger.
R, I, L. April. Good job.
April.
And our year is
2020.
2020. Good. Don't forget, we see 4 digits that are making up this big number. Okay, so our digits, we see 4, and each number, we're going to do 2, 0, 2, 0. Excellent job. Excellent, my little sweethearts. Now let's find out what day of the week it is. It's time to sing our song to figure it out. So, 1, 2, 3. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Excellent. So if yesterday was what letter makes the sound? Good job. It's the letter T. So if yesterday was yesterday was Tuesday, that's correct. So if yesterday was Tuesday, that means today is, let's see, we got to hear the sound first. It goes w, w. Good.
Wednesday.
The sound, the letter for that sound is W. So it's w, w. So that means today is Wednesday. That's right.
The big one.
So now, don't forget, we are trying and we are learning to recognize each and every letter. So now we have to spell it together. Are you ready? W, E,
1,
D,
D,
N,
1, D,
E,
1, D,
S,
and Wednesday,
D,
Wednesday,
A,
Wednesday.
Y,
Wednesday.
Don't forget the W makes the
Wacky
w
Wednesday.
sound.
Wacky Wednesday.
Now we know our month, we know our year, and we know the day of the week. We know that it's Wednesday. Now we need to figure out the date. So we have to count together. Okay, so we're going to count together. Remember, when we look at our calendar, we need to look at the numbers. So let's see, we're going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11,
11,
12,
12,
13.
13,
And yesterday was Tuesday, the 14th. So what if it's 14? What
14.
comes after 14?
15.
15. That's right, it's 15. So now we're gonna sing our weather. So ready? We're gonna sing our weather song. Ready to sing it? 1, 2, 3.
What's
the
the
weather
weather
like
like
today?
today?
Like today, like
today.
today. What's the weather like today? Today is.
Let's look out the window.
Let's look outside the window. Don't forget. Hold on. Don't forget, you guys have to look outside your window.
I want to
Okay.
look out too.
So you guys are looking outside your window, and that's right. Our weather for today is cool and partly sunny. Cool and partly sunny. Excellent. So now, you guys, we did our calendar. Everything is good and ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this way of doing our calendar for today. I haven't had a chance to record, but hopefully tomorrow. Now, I hope you guys have an amazing day. And please don't forget to wash your hands, eat your fruits and vegetables, drink a lot of milk.
Or eat whole grain foods.
Whole grain foods. Don't forget what else you have to do. You have to drink a lot of water. Keep your bodies hydrated, boys and girls. And don't forget, the most important, listen to your mommies, your daddies, or whoever is taking care of you, okay? So have an amazing day. Now listen to the song. You can sing along to it too.
Goodbye, 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 friends. Goodbye, 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 friends. It's time to say goodbye. But first, walk, walk, walk. Jump, jump, jump. Run, run, run. Stop. Hop, hop, hop. Swim, swim, swim. Dance, dance, dance. Stop.